Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is not our usual stream day. It is Tuesday, and Marsha is here. Tuesday, January 18th of 2022, and we are back for yet another stream. The plan for today is to add Lewis support to pre-commit.ci, and I have been having an absolutely insanely scattered day. Let me give you a great example of my insanely scattered day. But first, let me say hi to Mr. Spacey. And thank you for the resub at 5 months. And Zithrius, thank you as well for the resub at 11 months. Thank you both for your continued support. It's good to see both of you again. Hopefully you all are doing well. Let me give you a great example of just how scattered my day has gone today. So right before stream, I went to fill up my water bottle. And that went fine. But as I was filling up my water bottle, I noticed I have a pan on my stove. And I noticed that there's a fucking pancake there. Because I just forgot to eat the pancake, apparently. And miraculously, it's not burned. So, I don't know. I'm gonna be eating a pancake because apparently I forgot to eat it earlier today. So yeah, that's kind of how my day's been going. But let me say hi to everyone who is here. JJMC was first. Good to see you again, JJMC. Ethan is here. Ooh, turned off their VPN. Perfect. Marsha's here. Oh no, you've lost your bongo. Oh no. But you've still got mop, so that still works out. Consideratio, thank you says thanks for your work in open source, Anthony. You're welcome. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Z3 says gaming. Yes, indeed. Frog Whip, welcome back. Python 390, this is a creepy looking emote. Walker Codes is here. Hello. Audrey says it's night, Anthony. It is indeed night. Welcome. S1 Cube, how's it going? What? Gangster Superman says Jello. What? Shello to you too as well. Welcome. King Koopa, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Wire codes, can I list you as a reference for my job app? No, you though. For sure, no one fucking checks that shit, right? Exonity's here. Hello. Good to see you again. And thank you again for the resub, Mr. Spacey and Zithrius. Good to see you both again. Arrowbounce is here. I guess we will stand and eat the pancake. But welcome back, Arrowbounce. Good to see you again. Konik with the Love Peak L. Good to see you again. Juba says, thoughts on list comprehensions versus list map? I never use map filter reduce. Map filter reduce are the worst. Don't use them. They're or if you want to use them, I feel like the main reason to use map filter and reduce is to be like, look at how smart I am. I know how to do the programming and I don't want anyone to read my code. So I just don't use it. Mila, hello. Welcome. Good to see you. D-Delsp is also here. Missouri emergency alerts are memes now. Oh no. What is Mei you have here? Gotham City Mo purple green. What? Okay. Interesting. Cool. Monty Jr., hello, welcome. Can we go slightly lower? What do you mean? Like me be slightly lower? Like this? What do you want? Or do you want the other direction? James says it's 30 a.m., so only here for 1 second. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. Send as an emergency alert to my phone shortly, followed by a disregard. This was a test. Oh no. Entropy says lower octave. Like you want me to talk with a lower voice? I don't know that I can go much lower. Is this what you want? My terrible radio voice? No, I'm not gonna do that. I was drafting a response to the MapReduce question. I realized it was the most actually thing I'd ever written. No. Mila says, Lua might ask what for. I know Lua is only a thing for game plugins. Well, Matt, who is another streamer on Twitch, recently added Lewis Sport to pre-commit, which I released today. And I figured I would follow up and add it to pre-commit.ci at the same time. Because why not? But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Robin's here. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Okay, before we get started, let's take a look at what I've done in open source since last time. Oh, you can't even see my screen. Here we go. Daniel says, what is Babby? Babby is a text editor that I wrote. JB Brad's also here. Hello, hello. Good to see you. Bellcake LTG, thank you for the follow. And Tutan Kamoon, thank you as well for the follow. Fixter Jake's also here. How's it going? And Tom says, I'm jealous of your pancake. It's a really fucking good pancake. It's a real fucking good pancake. It is cornbread, cinnamon with butterscotch chips and a little bit of peanut oil. It's a little stale because I made it this morning, so it's a little bit stale. But it's still good. Still very good. Zachary, hello, hello. You can follow Raymond Henninger on Twitter, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Raymond. I don't, but he follows me. But I saw his tweet, if that's what you're asking. I know what you mean. The Amateur General, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Babby's when you leave pancakes on the stove for a few hours. No, that's not how it works. Marsha, you're looking to get bonked. Looking to get bonked. Where is X's here? Hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you. How are you doing? How was your stream? I was sleeping, so I missed your stream. I was bummed because it had a very interesting title about good old Dijkstra's. Or, as I used to pronounce it inside my head, Dijkstra's. Okay. So, PR since last time. Mostly just documentation update for pre-commit 217, which I released earlier today. Python 390, thank you for the resub at 3 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Good to see you again. What's with the Henninger drama? Isn't he cool? Or like, were you guys linking drama he started? Yeah, no, this was drama that he started. We talked about it, these streams, yeah. Wait, you did Levenstein's instead? Wait, for AOC? There's actually a better algorithm than Levenstein, which I recently learned. Although I don't know if it works for whatever problem that you were doing it for. But there's this dude, I also don't know how to pronounce his name either. Oh, you made fuzzy search instead. Oh, cool. Jaylon, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But this is a bounded edit distance algorithm, such that if you have larger strings and you're trying to fuzzy match larger strings, you can error out sooner rather than having to compute the true edit distance. So you can basically do stuff a lot faster than you would need otherwise. You basically same API as Levenstein's, except you bound it by K. You can get zoomier fast. But yeah, I implemented this to do license detection. Why don't more languages have enums? I mean, Python barely has them. Hey, what's up, Bagel PT? And C has enums, but a C enum is really just a global constant because they're not really enums. They degrade to ints. Drooper says, what's the latest, coolest Python thing you learned? What is the latest Python thing that I've learned? I feel like that's a hard question because I don't really think about things as can't really be like, oh yes, this was the time that I learned this thing. It's mostly just like I I continually do stuff and slowly improve over time. I don't think I've done anything drastic learning in a while. What's the last Python thing you forgot? Pfft, everything. I forgot everything. That is actually written in Rust. Yeah, I think that's how it works with the roost. Well, I forgot just pancake earlier today, so maybe that counts. Yeah. So I released pre-commit 217 today, and there's only 3 major doc changes. One is Mamba, Micro Mamba, which apparently are going to be obsolete soon because Conda is just going to gobble them up. So that's why we did this temporary hack. Go changes and Lua changes, which is what we're going to be looking at today. But Matt did all the Lua docs for me, so I didn't even have to, which was great. It's not some binary process where poof, you now know something. Yeah, 100%. Yeah. Yeah, that's why it's hard for me to pinpoint something. CLAX, anything but bare syntax, so why complain about enums? I guess that's fair. Yeah. I feel bad when I forget something, but like I forget stuff all the time. Yeah, makes sense. Zithrius is applying to GitHub sponsors. Nice, nice. Hopefully it works out. Ruba says, do you not sometimes discover a really cool repo? I mean, sometimes maybe? I don't really know them. I think the last like cool repo, at least the last one I can think of, was oh god, here we go again. Still don't know how to pronounce it. Hecate? Hecate? I don't fucking know. This is the last one I can think of. Yeah, right, Marsha? Yeah, clearly. God, Anthony, why can't you get it right? Of course it's pronounced. This is one of my favorite dumb jokes. I love this joke so much. Whoa, where is Xcot bonged? Whoa. I want to work for Chrome? Like Google? Why though? I hear their build is awful. But shrugs, I don't know. They have a bunch of Python 2 garbage. But yeah, anyway. Matt helpfully documented this for me. May work on Windows. Love it. And then I was trying to shop Python 3.6 support, but something failed? What failed? Of course. Of course. I still have a test in pre-commit that tests Python 2. Hey, what's up, Tuborn? How you doing? Hello, fellow degenerates. Yes, as I munch on a pancake while I figure out the best way to fix this. I'm Nightly. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. I guess we're doing this before we do the other stuff. Which one is that even? Get Python 2. Python 2. Python 3 hooks repo runs Python 2. Of course. Yeah, that makes total sense. Testing resources. Python 3 hooks. Hooks repo. Startup. Py. So we have to get rid of those there, which means we need to make a exception in here. Yes. Make sure that works. Yep, looks like it does. Group says, do people use 310 nowadays with the case thingy with match statements? Some perhaps. But I don't use the match statement. But to each their own. bit.ly/Hecate pronunciation. This is 100% gonna be a W3 schools. 100%. Oh. It actually was not. I am surprised. I'm very surprised. Yeah, Hecate. Hecate. Yeah. Exactly. ZPK, hello. Do you have Umbreon emotes? I do indeed. Emotes. There's a few of them there. But yes, we have some Umbreon emotes. I'm tired of your hackety face. It's like you don't trust me. You tried to DLs, please. You tried to get me literally last stream. But yes, this is why we have Umbreon emotes. But yeah, I wanted you to enjoy yourself. Yeah, I mean, I did have a beer. So it did happen just after stream. Imasaki language. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hope you're doing well. Is it my fault they didn't go for the free alcoholic beverage during stream? That's fair. Heck of tea? What? What? Okay. Let's make sure that test still works as well. Viev. That test is gonna start failing at some point though. Like GitHub Actions is probably gonna remove Python 2. They already did on macOS. Some people were salty. What's the name of this toss? Don't talk with your mouth full, anything. Fuck it, I don't give a shit. Which? Bitch. Are you making more pancakes when you finish? Probably not. I probably shouldn't eat pancakes twice a day. macOS removed by then, too? Not strictly speaking, but yeah, I mean, they did. But they also never had Python 3.5, and GitHub Actions had Python 3.5, so I don't know. GitHub made a conscious decision to remove it, or Microsoft, because I guess they're Azure hosts, so maybe it's, I don't know where the relationship is. Anyway. No edit and git push origin head -f. Okay, will that happen? Tuesday isn't a normal stream day. You can do whatever you want. That's true. That is true. Okay, so the plan for today. The plan is simple. Runner image. Okay, so we have to do basically two things here. We need to bump the requirements, and we need to add Lewis support. That is the plan. But in bumping the requirements, I'm actually going to hold back the virtualenv version for at least another week or so, just because there's setup tools being shitty. So we're going to not bump that one, but we're going to bump everything else. Let's run this, see what happens. Andrew says, do you know about memoization? I do indeed. The Endless River, hello, good to see you. And Jay Phils, who says, yo! How's it going, Jay Phils? How you doing? JFills is also a pogrammer. Pogrammer. A pogrammer. Anyway. Welcome back, good to see you. Suda says growl. Well. Help. Oh, I got rid of this bullshit. Let us temporarily do this. And then do this again. Let's see if that fixes things. Setup tools failing time to do poetry. That's the funny thing. A setup tools is so broke that it broke poetry. JFills! Oh, 16 months. Thank you for the resub. Appreciate your continued support. It's always good to see you. But yeah, that's kind of the ironic part of the situation, Sekris, is that because setup tools was broken, setup tools broken away that broke poetry because setup tools was not installed. Zara, hello. Good to see you again. Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh no. Not the sneeze. Oh, that's even more frustrating. Now I'm not going to sneeze. Ugh. Okay. So that seems a little more reasonable. I wonder why distlib bumped. Don't really care. Okay, let's do a first PR where we just bump the requirements. Oh, we already have that. Oh, we'll delete that branch then. Tuberoom says I kind of like poetry. I mean, not the worst. Why do I have your remote here? I really hate that there's no tab complete for that. But anyway. Dash B bump ranks. Upgrade to pre-commit 2.17.0. So I'm just gonna do a pull request of this first, and then we'll do Lua as a second PR, because I feel like Lua is gonna be annoying. Just have a hunch. Don't know why I have a hunch, but I just have a hunch. So we're gonna get that going. Marsma, hello. Hi and good night. Well, good to see you. Have a good one. Unisir says, okay, I guess my internship now got canceled officially. Oh, that sucks. Oh, that sucks. Oh, man. That's a bummer. Sucker says, I much prefer poetry to subtools all-in-one versus many micro stuff. I mean, poetry's fine. Just don't use it. And the last time I tried to use it, I found like 4 bugs in the first 5 minutes of working on it. So I was like, well, I'm gonna read the room and not. That all-in-one is somewhat lagging and due to all-in-one design, quite annoying to hack. Yeah. I just found like 3 bugs in the quick start and I was just like, well, we're not doing this today then. Or ever. I like reading more than reading the room. Guess that's fair. What are you doing? I don't know what you're doing. I'm gonna let this be, I guess. No pip install -e /5 different projects with poetry. It should have editables now. I think it has finally been added. I'm not really sure because I haven't tried it. Because I'm lazy. Silly buttons though. How are you doing? Hello. Special.usps.org/test kits. This did not last very long. Is this? Yeah, there's no way there's more of these, right? Yeah. You get an error as JSON? Oh, it loads fine for me. Unlucky. What the fuck happened here? Did it error? Oh no, it's just doing things. Okay. So let's see if there are pre-built Lua binaries. That would be a great place to start. SourceForge. I'm starting to think maybe not. Uh, 542 seems reasonable. You want a full Lua installation? Maybe we want that instead. You have binaries? I suspect not. Linux x86-64 zip. Sounds useful. Wait, what's in that base 64 blob on the server? What the fuck? Access main program. Access main security. Access main program grid. What a fucking error. What? What is that? I wonder if they thought they were being secure by we're gonna encrypt the we're gonna base 64 encrypt the error message so no one can see it. What a fucking funny error message though. I just said now. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. Viewer says at some point you get into this intersection of PyEnv, poetry, pip, docker, git, in-house dependencies, neovim, where you literally bleed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That yeah. That definitely is a thing. It's cringy enough I would hide it myself. Yeah. What a funny error message. Okay. Anyway. Unzip. Well, let's do unzip the shell first. What? I thought Lua was just source code. What? How does this work? What happens if I try and install something? Install tree wet inline. Warning, Lua 5.3 interpreter not found. Okay, that seems reasonable. How big is this thing? 5 megs. What is Lua Rocks admin? What is Lua Rocks admin? I don't think we need it though. Answer my question. Why you got it? This package contains Lua Rocks, a tool for managing rocks. Does it have setuid set on it? Is that what it is? They are ever so slightly different binaries. I have no idea. We used to use base 64 encoding with PuTTY to get files off of remote servers at work. Since we had no FTP or other capabilities. Yeah, I've used that before too. Apparently it's a quote from Jurassic Park. Wait, really? How do I find it? What was it again? Access. Oh, yeah. True. Indeed. Interesting. Well, nice little Easter egg. Rocco says bye. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you again. Have a good one. At least the people at USPS have a sense of humor. Yeah. It's true. Okay, so that's how we can get that part. We also need a lure lure interpreter. We need a Lua interpreter. That's not. Oh wait, maybe there's. Okay, so that's just the installer part. Okay, got it. Not what we want. But perhaps we can go here. Linux libraries? Oh, yeah. Linux 5.4. This is 5.11. Okay, that's good. And the kernel will be newer than that, so we probably want this one. Oh, it's gonna take me to a fight. Oh, interesting. I want the URL. I don't want this. I want the URL. No. I want to be able to curl this. I bet if I put this into SourceGraph, I can find how to download this. I love how I just use SourceGraph as a way to just outsource the answers to questions. Here we go. Fair enough. Holy shit. That must have been such a pain to line all this up. Lua. Go. Oh, so if I would have just removed the download part of it, it would have just worked? Holy shit, that was a lot of redirects. What happened there? Wait, where's the rest of it? This is just liblua. This is not what I wanted. Not what I wanted at all. Where's the rest of it? What? Oh, I'm gonna have to build this shit from source. I already know. I already know. It's the raptor scene. I did that with zero memory of the movie. I see. Patootie, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. It's funny, Andong. It's from the scene you actually linked to with the bot, and you didn't know. Shit. Admittedly, I think I've only seen Jurassic Park once. And I'm pretty sure I was distracted. Hey, what's up, Priox? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. It also says video idea. No, it isn't. Okay, this is not what I want, clearly. So what the hell? What am I supposed to download? I want not the libs, I want the bins. Tools executables? Hello? Oh, yeah, a little spinny. Okay, I just wait. No, you wait. You must wait. It's not even from. I think it's hyperbole and a half. Yeah, from the sneaky hate spiral. You must wait. Okay, so we want the 54. Wait, why is this one so much more popular? Oh, Vientos, because Vientos. Why are these out of order? Okay, we learned we can do this. tar-xf this. It's called Lua 54. Okay, well, let us try setting up a directory. Enter Lua root. Enter Lua root. Then include lib. Move. Move this into the root bin. Move this into Lua root include. Oh, where did my this? Move this into Lua root bin. That's not how I want to do this. Quid Lua root bin. Path. We'll do this now. Why is it looking for Lua 53? Argo says, what is the name of your keyboard? There's the bang keyboard command. Lua rocks. Are you looking for that W get on the first line? Maybe. No, we did this already. Kind of. I don't think this does what we want. This assumes that you have Lua already, I think. Maybe. But maybe we do that instead. Let's try that. Configure prefix equals. Holy shit, that was so fast. What? Oh, it detected it based on the Lua I already had. So let's try that again. No Lua if it's gonna pull it in. Command I ran this. It looks like we're going to have to build this from source. Okay, we have no Lua interpreter. Okay. Probably install one and then Lua 54 sounds like a gun or a classic car. Yeah. Just use a Python interpreter? Yeah, if only it were that simple. Okay, so it looks like we probably want to build Lua from source and then build Lua rocks from source. Since these binaries are all over the place. Lua source GZ. Did I merge this? We can merge this. That's gonna be the first step. I'll make the next build faster. Lua download area. Guess we should do the latest. Just gonna get rid of all this shit. We don't need any of it. Okay. We have checksums. SHA-1? What fucking year is this? Location silent output lua.tgz. And then echo this lua.tgz. 36 check. I just do it like that. Cool. Okay, so that's the first part of this, and then we also need to do it for Lua rocks as well. Cube! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay. We have Anthony YouTube videos if we need more info. Kind of. Hopefully this will be a smoother ride than building Dart. Yeah, I think it's gonna be easier. Dunstable Ramsey, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. There are 255 versions behind the Shaw smacking my bongo. Yeah. Just check the checksum 255 times. Yeah, exactly. Even Lua has a package manager. Meanwhile, seeing C++ are in the dark ages with manual labor of adding libraries. Yeah, it's true. But I didn't run good status. What am I doing? I almost ran it again. Okay, I need to sit down. Okay. That should get us those two things. Now we need to let's see, tar-xf lua.tgz. What does that do? Wait, where's the configure script? Does it just have a makefile? That just tell me. Okay. Holy shit. What's going on here? Install top. We want to make installs. Can I set install top? Let's see. Meek install top equals temp z lua root dash j fix install. Are you fucking kidding me? You need Lua to build Lua? Or is it that I need to do this? Oh, it's because I have to do this. Got it. Exit code 2? What you mean 2? Well, I probably have to do this. And then I have to do this. Now it's exit 0. Okay. Then include lib man. We don't need man, we probably don't need share either. Okay, cool. So we got that working. Okay, so what do we do here? Want to tar out into a directory. Direct into directory tar. It's dash capital C, I'm pretty sure. But I think the directory has to already exist. Yeah, it has to exist already. Another idea is to use one top level. This will automatically create a directory based on the file name of the original. Oh. Oh, that's exactly what I want. I guess we learn something every day. Lua.tgz. What does this do? I guess we just do it right here. Tar xf1 top level Lua.tgz. Yo! Aw, that's not what I wanted. I think I also need strip components. Strip components equals 1. Yo, there we go. That's what we want. That's what we want. Let's fucking go. This is gonna say, man, this stupid thing that I just learned today, so good. I'm gonna literally log in so I can vote for this person. I'm already logged in. Do I have vote permissions? I do! Thank you, Dean Householder. Kenjito, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Listen, we'll bootstrap the bootstrap so you can jit the compiler before interpreting the jitter that builds the VM. Yeah, exactly. Just use Docker. I mean, we're gonna end up using Docker. I'm just prototyping this to make this happen first. Get link to build instructions. Also, any guesses and takes more time because why not? I mean, the build instructions are not going to be any different than what I'm doing here. And there's no link here. Yeah, make all tests. This is not what I want. So, fine. Fine, it's fine, it's fine. Push D. Actually, I've learned a cheeky thing to do. I don't remember if it works right. We'll use push D and pop D. Push D Lua. Make we'll just install into there for now, but our final thing is going to install in a different place, and we're going to do this all in Docker. Okay. Is there a file type tar.gz Google search that actually finds tarballs? I don't think so. I know of. Like Anthony uses the smarter versions of Stack Overflow, like Ask Ubuntu. I don't know, Ask Ubuntu is often a shit show. We just got lucky that we got a good one today. Your strip components include high heels and a sturdy metal pole. Wouldn't you like to know? Householder would have show up, yeah. What's next? Gregory homeowner? Yeah. Are you going to install LuaJIT in there as well? I don't think I need it, but I also don't know. I don't think I need it. I'm not sure. Probably not. I'm not going to until somebody asks for it. Let's put it that way. It's very easy to build and install. Just do it. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Explain Stockman. Yeah. Precisely. Okay. So that will set up Lua. Oh, this needs to be Lua Rocks. And then so we also have to set path. Path equals Target bin. Those curlies do nothing. Path. And then we need to push the Lua Rocks. This one has a configure script. Prefix equals Target. And this make script is less broken. I can just call make install. I think. Alright, let's try this. Oh, we also need to get rid of Lua Rocks. We exited 0. There was something colorful though, right? And all sorts of stuff in here. Wow, it's so small? It's tiny. Are there any GUIs for Docker? What would you even do with a GUI Docker? What does mean? Hey, what's up, Polymathic Man? Hello, hello. I'd post a tiny noodle if I could. Retainer is a GUI for Docker. Interesting. Qualzy, how's it going? Hello, hello. Wow, judge me much? Rip. This was too easy. I feel like this was supposed to be harder. We don't need the man pages, right? 16K. What are you? What are you? Repository administration interface. You probably don't need that. I wonder if we can make it not install that. Whatever, it's 2 megs, it's tiny, it doesn't really matter. It was small, that's why it can be embedded into C and C++ programs, that makes sense. Too easy, let's try Dart again, god damn it. You're installing something, not doing an ASC problem, I don't think it's supposed to be super hard. Well, never mind. I keep forgetting to take my meds, oh no. Oh no. Okay, that's not too bad. Oops, where did my t.sh go? So yeah, I guess we just now port this into Docker file, and then we're good to go. Surely it's going to be more complicated than that, but we will try it nonetheless. The streamer reached through the stream and bonked Marsha. What are you, T? Who are you? Clearly we don't need any of these because I have no idea what they are. Goodbye. Docker file, we must add Lua. I think that's actually the only variable we're gonna need here. Might need more, but let's start with that and see where we get. Echo lang Lua. We need arguments. Arg Lua equals 5.4.3 arg Lua SHA-256 equals this bad boy. Arg Lua rocks equals 3.8.0. 56 equals this. I wonder if there's any of these other tars that I can clean up similarly. So I did like this. It was kind of nice. Tired for everyone. Oh no. Found my drugs. Nice, nice. I do that each Monday. Sit down at my desk, open my repos, wonder what the branch was supposed to be, and just delete them all. Yeah, 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 yeah. Seems like a dominant strategy. Okay. Now what to do? Now write big long ampersand chain. Curl location silent output temp lua.tgz hps www. I should copy paste instead of doing it like that. That's a good idea. Oh no, I copied the wrong thing. Copy link. This will be $Lua. Okay. I do these ones up here, double quotes. Okay. Lua SHA-256 space temp lua.tgz SHA-256 check. And then we also have to do the Lua rocks one. Curl location silent output. Okay. Lua rocks. Cool. This one yet. Sit down at my desk on Tuesday, work for 15 minutes. COVID booster decided it was a good idea to lay down for a while. Yeah. 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 What do you think? Does Lua rock? I mean, it's alright. Okay. Now we need to do this part. There's a thing to make change directories, right? Make dash C. Change the directory before reading makefiles or do anything else. Perfect. We don't even need to push these. Tar strip components equals 1 top level xf lua.tgz. Make dash C. Oh, we want to do dash C temp also. Temp lua. Install top equals opt lua. All. Install. I think. And then we need to do lua rocks tar. I'm glad I learned a new toy today. This 1 top level is pretty sick. I probably have to CD it into here. Configure prefix equals opt lua. Make install. Do I make anywhere else in here? No. So we need to clean up. Temp lua rocks, temp lua gz, temp lua rocks, that tgz. That should work. I kind of want to comment all this out and see if it builds. And play around with that. Yeah, we'll see what that does. Lou's pretty good, all things considered. I see. Sucker says, gotta go, 1:30 a.m. I have to work tomorrow. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Gail says, everyone keeps talking about how the booster hit them hard. I barely had any feeling from it. Consider yourself lucky. It was, yeah, it was kind of rough. Recursive chat, hello, hello. Cruel Vulture says, hello, Mr. Streamer in chat. Is it better and why to put ampersand symbols in the beginning of commands on a Docker file and not in the end? Ah, I have a video specifically about why to do this. Or, if you don't care, why not to do this? Yeah, check out this video. I go over why I do it in that particular way. But it's, I mean, the TLDR is it's similar in ideas to trailing commas. Oh look, people are excited. Oh, it's you two in chat. Nice. 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 Okay, that's all merged. We already merged that. Issue. Oh yeah. Automated updates. Close these. Exit status 2. Cannot open. Probably because I have the wrong thing here. Apparently -c in tar does not change before it looks at the file, it changes after it looks at the file. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm scheduling my booster and it lets me choose between Pfizer, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson. What should I choose? I don't know, pick one that you didn't get before. Crazy Chat says, is Python open A or A plus mode atomic? The A there means append. So no. There are components of it that could be considered atomic, but multiple processes running or opening with A or A plus will clobber each other. So, not really. Let's do user 1000, 1000. That was annoying. So if I do Lua rocks install pre-wet, what was the cool thing that we did last time? Test repository Lua check. Lua check. Cannot create directory cache. Is that gonna be a problem? It seems like it just ignored it, so maybe that's fine. Yeah, looks fine. I left this behind. Interesting. Wet bin Lua check. Cool. Kudyin, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Why does this not have colors? Oh, it is executable. Alright, cool. I think that's probably gonna work. Yeah, let us we probably need a little bit more of the Docker file in order to have pre-commit work. Yeah, we need this chunk here. Let's uncomment this bit at least to get the tests working. I'm basically not, I don't want to build the whole image because it's going to take forever. Typically, the one you had before is the right one to get, but you can potentially cross. Moderna is a higher concentration dose than Pfizer, but triple Pfizer has been just as good as triple Moderna in practice. Yeah. As Anthony said, this is not medical advice. Yeah. Sounds like I need to use something like a lock. You could use a lock, or you could do it in a different way where you move the file in place. That would also work. Gideon says, based on studies thus far, the mRNA ones outperform the others by a mile, and then some. AstraZeneca one was useless against Omicron, but 2 AstraZenecas and Pfizer booster went to like 75-ish. Pretty good. Good. Sounds legit. I can't actually finish scheduling the appointment because I can't select my normal place online, so I'll have to call tomorrow. Ah. But a reminder. Then you will remember. I use alarms on my phone all the time for stupid shit like this. Like for instance, oh, that's a shiny. What? Oh, cafe. Okay, I don't give a shit. For instance, there will be another battle competition this year. Why is it not listed here? There's going to be a battle competition, and they're going to give away the shiny Galarian birds. So I've put all of these dates in my calendar. So I remember to sign up for a battle competition so I can get a shiny Pokemon. But yeah. Alarms are kind of important. I don't use them enough. Yeah. Slack reminders for work. Yeah, that helps too. Gotta catch them all. I mean, I have got them all. But these are new shiny Pokemon that I don't have yet. Because no one has them. There's also a Pfizer granted safety study regarding myocarditis. 5x higher odds to get it from the infection for the vaccine. Yeah, I have heard that as well. I saw the like I saw the hilarious Joe Rogan clip where he just went like full like uh full fake news on the study. That was okay. Anyways, what have I done? I was off by one on the keyword. Alright, bin test. So we need to comment out most of these tests because you're just going to ignore them for now. Make sure this can at least work. And test. I think that's how this works. Oh, and I have to do Podman. Get one Pokemon in a bed until you go to sleep. Wait, what? Gryffindor says Python sucks, Lua rocks. Are you gonna start spamming Windows and Linux until you get it? That's in the use case. If you want to race starting at 0, then Python's the way to go. Yeah. I've heard the vaccines make your dick fall off. Pull that up, Jamie. Oh shit. Wait. Damn it. Okay, I was playing a prank on Gryffindor and it backfired. God damn it. Fuck. Oh man. Oh man, it would have been so much funnier. How did I fuck this up? Oh, it's supposed to be match user. God damn it. Okay, well, I won't punish you then. I thought I was so clever. I should have run Flake 8. Pleb tier. Dumb mistake. It's always DNS unless it's match J, yeah. Oh well. Okay, we need to add Lua test. Does that mean it would have triggered for you? Yes, it would have. Because this was... Oh wait, no, this was false. Yeah, no, it would not have triggered for you. It also means that it would not have triggered for Gryffindor either. Oh wait. No, it means it... No, you're right, you're right. This would have been false. Yeah, I did rob you of one Linux. You're right. You're right. You're 100% right. Yeah. Yeah, I robbed you of one. Oh well, such is life. I'm calling the cops. Hello, 911? A streamer did not give me my meme response. I demand my meme response. Hey, Lua hook. Repo local hooks. ID Lua local. Name Lua local. Language Lua. Entry Lua check. Additional dependencies Lua check. And test can run Lua hook tag stir PC stir padam pool temp file temporary directory. Get in it. I should just copy paste. What am I doing? I should also write out another file. Times Lua. That works, right? Really? Unhandled dirty socks error? Yeah, exactly. I'm calling Linus, but which one? Second floor says is looks good though. It's fine. Wait, second floor triggered it. That's so funny. What is this? What is this givey give? Oh, it's the police dogs. Yeah, I remember this. The robber and then the cop dog. Oh, I don't remember the extended version. Cool. Object. Oh no. I can't even scare Anthony for a split second. You've tried that so many times, Marsha. You got me maybe the first time, but not since then. This is valid Lua, right? Surely? Can run Lua hooks. HBR8, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Hey Siri, how to trigger Linux. What? Oh. Right. Full image. I think it's working. Nice. Nice. Okay. This is actually easier than I thought it was going to be. Git Docker file. Yeah, good job, Anthony. You definitely got that command right. Geek Love, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Uncomment all this stuff. Then we gotta uncomment all of this stuff. And then we make the PR. Easy as that, I guess. Alright, let's look at the diff here. We gotta... Well, we'll just let the get hooks deal with that. And we add tests. Yeah, looks good. Add Lua support. Add Lua language support. That was easy. I like how Anthon is dancing to music I can't hear. For Debian-based Linux, the way to trigger is CVE 2008. What is this? I don't even know what the CV is. Should I know the CV? See you, Dan. See you, Diane. Oh, I get it now. I understand now. I understand your name more. Oh, is this Heartbleed? No, this was before Heartbleed. What was this? Did this not have a fancy name? An OpenSSL bug. Oh, it was specific to Debian? I see. Another unrelated Omyak news. I'm no longer on the short list of testers for my team's web dev. Nice, nice. I can't see the number of lines you got. God damn it, Odger. Arena shooter backgrounds, OpenSSL entry fix. Yeah, makes sense, makes sense. Real statement from Red Hat Linux, we suck. This was for the age of catchy names. Yeah, yeah. Indeed. Hey, what's up, Victor Galvao? Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. 120 to 1024 distinct SSL SSH keys. Wow. It's pretty low entropy pool. All right. I need to fill up my water. I'm going to do that real quick. I will be right back. And we'll see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Did Lou and I get married yesterday? That was pre-commit. We're doing this for pre-commit.ci. Jennifer B. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Jennifer. Griffey NPT. Thank you for the follow as well. Welcome, welcome. Show water. You can't even tell. You have no idea other than you'll have to just trust that it's full. In my fancy Twitch water bottle. Pure vodka, yeah. It's oatmeal stout. Yeah, that would be pretty litty, right? Okay. Oh, it's onto the test portion, so that's good. Hey, what's up, Glorious Musketeer? Hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you. You don't need this directory anymore. Cool. Or that directory. So chat, what are we gonna work on? I didn't think this was only gonna take an hour. But apparently it only took an hour. Arc parse my pipe plugin? Oh. Oh, I forgot about that project. Pokemon? You did ask in Discord the majority of people wanted Pokemon? It was not that way when I started stream. It was 50-50 when I started stream. It's still no longer 50-50. It's barely winning. Barely winning this. But yeah. Yeah. Anyway. My team. Wow, you're always drinking coffee day or night. Me, right? Coffee. Yeah. Yeah, dark beers tend to look like coffee, don't they? I guess we can work on the thing that I was going to work on last stream, but we didn't have enough time for, which is adding or implementing require plugins in Flake 8. Do that real quick. Well, not real quick. It's probably gonna take a couple hours. Voice Musketeer says, is there any chance to add autocomplete to Babby? I'd like to take a look at the code and see if it can be implemented somehow. Yeah, it's certainly possible. I have not attempted it, or will I really use it all that much. But I think like the eventual like long-term goal is to figure out how language servers work and do those. But I also don't really know how those work. But yeah, by all means, feel free to dive into the code and figure out how it works and play around with it, because it's certainly possible. Certainly possible. Okay, so what I want to do here is add something like require plugins, PyDocs or Flake 8 doc strings, and have it fail. I mean, it fails right now, but for different reasons. Nunlof says, do any of your YouTube videos deal with Python in production for non-programmers? Library stability, concurrent Python installations, protection of unwanted Py file manipulation. What do you mean by non-programmers? Like for managery type people? I mean, I do talk about like for users. I guess for the first part, I talk about some like semantic versioning stuff. For concurrent Python installations, I talk about like how I set up with dead snakes. Unwanted Python file manipulation. I don't really know what you mean by that though. Dry Sick, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. If you're dealing with those issues, you're a programmer? Yeah. You're a programmer, Harry. How am I going to test this? I guess I can unit test this. Yeah. Balliet, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully your day is going well. See you, Diane says, thank you for your contributes to PyTest talks, etc. Make my life way easier when I had to test my code against everything from 2.6 to 3.3. Yeah, I know that feel. I remember that era. Spent a lot of time in Python 2.6. In fact, I think I'd probably say that the most percentage of my Python knowledge comes from learning 2.6. Might be applicable. You live in an apartment. If you enter your apartment number in the second address line, the website doesn't recognize it, treats the building address as a single household, equals error. Build your apartment number in the first address line instead to work around it. What is this? Oh, I don't have an apartment number. I have an actual address despite living in an apartment. So yeah, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm out here. All right. All right, let's get up to date. Oh, by the way, for those of you wondering, we set up all those we set up this issue forum last time. This issue forum here. And what do you think our success rate is? What do you think our success rate is on our issue forum? Don't spoil it for those of you on the Discord. Yeah, it's fucking 0. It's fucking 0. Yeah, 2 issues today. And this one didn't follow the issue template. And by didn't follow the issue template, this issue shouldn't exist at all because they should have just gone Huh. I wonder if I search import lib metadata and then look at closed and oh my god, there's literally 20 duplicates. And this one, I don't know what this person was looking for. How did you install Flake8? They ran these. Flake8 relies on any JSON. I don't know how they came to this conclusion, but I think this is where they were wrong. The funny thing is, like, I'm posting here mostly out of desperation, but they didn't fucking post their output. If they posted their output, I could have helped them, even though it's unrelated to Flake8. But they just didn't. They left this in too. Print hello world. Flake8 t.py ... like. Oh. I could have helped them. I could have helped them. Oh well. Please read carefully. Should I get Domino's or Mexican takeout tonight? Sadly, no good Indian place nearby. Oh, Indian food sounds so good. All those options actually sound pretty good. It's G-Force. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Did this just make it worse? I mean, now it's like completely obvious when they didn't even bother. Gonna order tests for all the apartments in my building, then wait to see who takes them and take the rest. Don't actually do this. It's like illegal. Yeah. It'd be pretty funny though. Mexican Domino's, or as they call it, Domingos. Okay. Require plugins. Alright, so we need to start in source Flake8 options. No? Main options. There's too many places. Parser, don't add arugament. Can't believe I'm gonna open a bug report on a GNU project in current year. I think Chris's rsync rsync bug is still broken. Chris opened that in like 2014. Mammon 3 seems to not handle user plus suffix. Surprise. Doesn't surprise. I was expecting editing in Microsoft Word. Oh no. Oh no. Require plugins. Nice. Yeah. Ethan's color and symbols are similar enough to the bot. I thought this was a bot response. Yeah. They are fairly similar. Although Ethan has Prime. That's a little bit different. A little bit different. I am both a member, subscriber, and non-member, non-subscriber at the same time with the same email. Yeah. Yeah. It definitely wasn't intentional. Oh yeah, I guess you're both VIP also. Okay, anyway. Requires specific plugins to be installed for running. This one doesn't have a period. This one does. Just gonna ignore it. We're just going to ignore it. This actually does nothing. I could remove this line. I thought I did remove all those. I guess I didn't remove all of them. Yeah, I didn't do this one either. Decide what to do about show pep 8. It's a never done. That's not happening. Okay, we add that argument. Practice the bug means that all my emails need to be moderated. Oh, that sucks. Elsie says, did they ever find the people from Malaysia flight that disappeared in 2014? I don't know. Remember. Yeah, I'm not self-posting Ethan at ethanhs.me. Yeah. They haven't? Yeah. I thought I remember watching a video about, or like a movie about that point. That might have been a different flight. I might also have been misremembering. Okay, source flake 8. I think it's part of the plugins finder. Yeah, no, we need to add this here. Require plugins. Optional stir. Require plugins. Require plugins. We gotta add this here. And that should cause tests to fail. Not for the reason I forgot a comma here. Great. Oh boy. Plugin options. It should not be frozen to that too. No, it probably doesn't matter. Maybe it does matter. Maybe it should be frozen set. Why did I think it didn't need to be that? Oh, also I just completely fucked this. Yeah, I think we'll just make this both frozen set. Alright, I gotta figure out why my phone's buzzing. Edge. Who is that? Someone that I don't have in my phone book. I probably should have them in my phone book. I just, well, let's see, 978 area code. I'm gonna say yes. Massachusetts. I don't know. I don't know who that is. Oh well, I'll figure it out. But yeah, it's just and and my shit talk group chat too. Okay, so we don't actually need tuple anymore. We should still have a similar number of failing tests. And now I need to go all the places where there's plugin options. Oh god, what did I do? Oh, that's what I did here. Plugin options. That one is parsed correctly. This needs another frozen set. That's just this one. Ooh, exactly 80 characters. Nice. 666 lines. Wow. 31 failed. How did I not find you? Okay. Someone's going to hell, says Qualsy. Aren't we all? Aren't we all? Test unit parse plugin. Oh, plugins finder parse plugin options. We're just going to pass more nuns in here. You get a nun, you get a nun, everybody gets a nun. Okay, that should pass a few more. This should maybe be named only. Just because they're nullables and they look kind of weird without it. Oh, but now MyPy's gonna be mad, right? Let's have MyPy tell us what's wrong. Too many positional arguments. Enable extensions. Require plugins. We're gonna need to do the same thing here. I wonder if this should just be plugin options.parse rather than parse plugin options. At least it has a more temperate climate. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Enable extensions. Fire plugins. Oh yes, we need to pass this along. Stupid functions, wasted. Prelim ops require plugins. And you no longer fit on one line. Might as well make that named only as well. Stupid legacy API that I'm gonna delete anyway, but have to keep maintaining until then. Silly docstring. Okay, MyPy's happy, which means the test should probably be happy, but they're not validating anything yet. Typical broken mock. Oh no, the tests still aren't happy. Stupid. Literally test nothing. Okay. Alright, we have funneled through all the boilerplate. Now we need to actually implement the feature. I'm curious if we... I think what we want to do is at this point load the check the required plugins. Do we even want to get into versioning too? What did Ian do on the first one? Why is this still not done? Oh, it is. Okay, it's like, oh shit. Did Ian support the versions or just names? Because if it's just names, that's easier. We can always add versions later. Yeah, this is a really old PR. This one. How did it work? I'm thinking this is just names and not version numbers. We're not going to implement a lab plugins yet. I'm going to do it differently. Yeah, we just did by name. Okay. We will do the same then. Oh, I do have a flake8 command. I didn't even know I had a flake8 command. That's cool. What happens if I do this? Wow, it just crashes like that? That kind of sucks. Hmm. I feel like we should have a special execution error, maybe? The bot maintains flake8. Get the bot to implement it for you. Yeah. Kikiko, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And the link works? Yeah. Of course the link works. I guess it could point in GitLab because that's where it used to be. Yeah, I guess we'll make a subclass of... Oh, but actually... I feel like this is already broken, is it not? Like, what happens if we do syntax.ini? Extension equals wat wat equals wat dot wat. Yeah, it just errors out like this. Plugin failed to load plugin wat due to dot. Oh, right, that's my other exception. That's the thing that we already knew is failing. Not do you yet? Yeah, this should error out more clean. I think if we instead make these execution errors, then this will look better. This should probably have the better name. Plug in a package. This should probably be plugin dot display name. Are you weird string? Because it's quoted like that. Local wat requested unknown parameters, causing file processor object has no attribute wat. Is that better to see the stack trace? It might actually be better to see the stack trace there. I think it's better to see the stack trace there. Yeah, what's up, time traveler? Load up. And execution failed. Do we even use this anywhere? What is this? We catch it here, we raise it here. Oh, new. Fish. Okay. That seems fine. All right, so we will let me make sure this doesn't change any of the tests. Oh, it does. Of course it does. Test benchmark? What the fuck is that? Oh. It's crashing because of cyber.ch. Yeah, cool. Let me put that into a different PR. Letter unknown arg error. Can you grab every message from Time Traveler? You already know what it's going to be, Marsha. Time Traveler 9791. Logs. Are. Something changed around here, though. What changed? What changed in October, Time Traveler? That's when horny mode kicked in. Oh, this one's exactly at midnight. That must have been a 12-hour stream. Oh no, these are advent of code. Yeah. What's your chaplet up to? Emails? What you got here? Oh, that's upward trending. What happened here? That was like last stream. Wild. Okay, let's merge this. And we kept trying to trigger Linux. That makes sense. That makes sense. Oh, I forgot to put in the info. Fuck. Ah. Shoot. And that means the thing's not gonna update. Damn it. I always forget to do that. Damn it. You know what? I can cancel this build. And then we can force it. Yeah. Catch up before it's done. Cancel. 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 What the fuck do? Cancel. Okay, we got Lua version info. Lua dash B, Lua rocks dash B dash version. God damn it. Is there like a not shitty looking version? I guess we'll just deal with that. Begin the info. No, we want the other one. Little info. L. Print Lua with console. Call Lua -v. Print. Lua rocks -- version. Print. This is a sneaky little context manager. I'm pretty sure the console context just, yeah, it just prints this. And Lua version info. You must sacrifice a plushie for cancel powers. Fucking felt like it. Marsha triggered the Linux. Oh, and then DDoS triggered the GNU plus Linux. Nice. Can sack a plushie? I don't think it will. Push cancel harder? Yeah. Seriously. Now I gotta wait for this to run again. Damn it. This is red because I canceled it. It's fine. Not a problem. Slightly improve unknown parameter error. Only use the language with whatchamacallit, RAII. Why am I blanking on that? It's like the initialization. Is that the initialization one or is that the runtime type? No, that's RTTI. Resource acquisition is initialization. That's what it stands for. It's where you use constructors to make initialization. Were you thinking RTTI too? Yeah, I was thinking of RTTI also. It's not RTTI. Uncancelled, yep. What I did. Building Lua, cool. Like, remember every set of initials and what they stand for. Oh, acronyms. Dayphone, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so what we want to do is raise an execution error about our missing and required plugins. So do a little soft reset here. That means something else somewhere else. Cool. Although the days of soft reset are dead, because there is no soft reset on a Switch anymore, which is sad. Okay, so we can do it in the find plugins, probably. Yeah. Oh boy, this is a big old test, isn't it? How does it work? We can probably just do this. Test find plugins missing required plugin with pytest.raises execution error. We just do this. Options flakate foo required equals finder dot plugin alt. What do we call it? Plugin options? Stupid double quotes, stupid black. Options not required. Double frozen set. Okay, so if we return this, we should not raise an exception. This should both be fine. Sleepless Warrior, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I test raisins? Did I really do that? I might have. No, I got it right. Gryffindor's chat plot. Stonks. It sounded like raisins? Oh, I see. Yeah, that would do that. Either these rays, Flake Fu is satisfied. We'll just make a return nothing. Oh, you're not gonna fit, are you? Damn. It did not fit. We just don't care about that. Pass in CFG here. Get a nice error. Missing plugins here. And we'll look at what this is and write our assertion afterwards. Okay, let's see what our test looks like. Looks like I forgot a comment. Okay. This needs to now also take opts. Is that what I call it elsewhere? Yeah. And we gotta see what my pay's all mad about now. Are there not calls to this elsewhere? Yeah. Why didn't this error? Oh, it did. Yeah, this actually needs to go first now. I feel like maybe this should be part of this function. Yes. Because this is a plugin option. You will do that first. Plugin paths. Plugin options. Hey, what's up, Maniac? How you doing? From Alabama? Was what? Lister? Of course I remember. How would I forget? Of course, well, I mean, There's definitely many ways I could forget. Good, how are you? It's going well. It's going well. Going well. Lister. Oh, shit. Capital Lister. I hardly knew it. It's true. It's true. It's true. Find local plugin path. Yeah. So we need to do this, but in oh, this can only be in the config. That's easier. This should probably be tuplester, not list. Just so we have nice immutable things. Tuplester dot dot dot. All this, we can spell it out. Rune, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Falsey says, I come from Alabama with a banjo on my knee. Yeehaw. Interesting, interesting. Alexis has one question. Using talks with many versions of Python from the Microsoft Store, I read the issues that you need talks for. Actual talks has some issues. Yo, the store Python is fucking cursed. Stay away from the store Python. The store Python is the worst. Don't use it. Just bugs. It's all bugs. TT Tiago, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Get rid of you. This also needs config dir. And then somewhere down here we have paths, which we no longer need. But we can do ops.local. Do this so we don't have to refactor everything. Maybe we pass this through. Do you really not fit on online? You really don't. Local plugin paths. Of course, Flygate's not gonna succeed because lol. uh yeah, that's a little easier. Green says, doing well. I saw that you're coding in Python, and I'm currently learning Python. Nice, nice. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Do I recommend Linux? Why not get Python directly from the source? I find the exe installer works way better than Windows Python. Or the Windows Store ones. They're both from Python itself, but yeah. He just smells the food I have for myself, sticks his nose all close to the table, opens his mouth, smacks tongue as if me seeing/hearing his tongue will indicate to me that this food is for him. Yeah. Easy access, you can get his installed Ubuntu from the store. That's the one app I recommend from there. Yeah, that's fair. That is fair, at least. No longer have you. Balls. Okay. Find local plugins, nothing. Oh, we got to change this around. Oh, fuck. This is gonna be annoying. Ugh. We'll fix that file in a second. This at least works now. That's sweet. Did I make a plugin options blank? That nice. That might be nice. Just for these tests. Last method def blank. We're writing 3.6, so we're stuck with this shit for now. Then we can just do blank. We should leave this one. We're gonna fix that one in a bit. Is that really it? That's all the plugin options? That can be right. Lock file checker with plugin. This is different. Do we do it by tests or do it by MyPy? MyPy looks angry. The tests look less angry. What makes them different? When you're testing this, it probably makes sense to actually spell out what this is. But when you're just using it, it don't really matter. Like here. Oh, that's in this, I guess. Yeah, like here we don't care about the options. We can just use .blank. It's mostly around the idea of this. Oh, actually we don't want blank here because we want this. Local plugin paths equals test/integration subdir. Here it actually makes sense to spell it out because we care about what's in here. Here we do again. Local plugin paths. Enable extensions. A comma. Slowly fixing these. Oh, I can just use that blank. Nice. List has no attributes. 579. Yeah. Local plugin paths equals this. That's what it's called. Like, why is my brain having trouble with this? No fine local paths. Oh yeah, we need to move this into the other thing. Mocha Tech Plays, thank you for the raid. Welcome raiders, how are you doing today? My name is Anthony. I primarily work on Python stuff. Today we are working on Flake 8. We previously worked on pre-commit.ci, and we are trying to add the require plugins option. Some of the things that I've created that you may know or work on or maintain are PyTest, Flake 8, Tox, pre-commit, PyFlakes, Dead Snakes, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But welcome to the stream. How is your stream today? Yeah, I can merge this. Speaking of what we were working on earlier. That as well. And now we need to watch this to get updated. We need it to be not 2 hours ago. So we'll wait for that to finish. Marlokia? Hello, welcome. It was a test stream. Sounds good. Welcome to streaming. Hopefully you had a fun time. Some folks from work showed up. Nice. Eeg, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Tuesday evening is here, and it is indeed Tuesday evening. Suspicious. Welcome. Marcello and Mocha Tech Plays, thank you both for the follow. Welcome. Yes, so we are trying to fix these tests. Okay, so I need to move these tests down to wherever the parse plugin options is. Yeah. Here. Indeed. My time is now. It's true, Tuesday evening. This parse local paths missing. Oh, we're gonna need to add a configure to all of these. Parse plugin options. Delara, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Love the follower animation. Yeah, it's based on a tool I created, which produces output that looks similar to that. And then I made the overlay look like that too. I'm glad you like it. Assert ops.local plugin paths equals this. This parse plugin options. Plugin paths. Parse plugin options. Config stir temp path. And none. And for Crazy Green. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Local plugin pass is expected. Still 6 failed. Shit. Oh, it should be tuple rather than list. Yep. Tuple rather than list. Nice. Down to 4. 398. Right. Need to add a configurator to these. I could have probably used dot, but this is slightly more isolated. Actually, dot would not have worked because it would have tried to parse the Flake8's config. We don't want that. 399. I cannot spell. Oh no, we're missing a thing here. Nice. Why didn't the legacy API fail? I kind of expected it to. Oh, because it just calls this. Okay, that's fine. And B. Hamadi Cheref. Sorry if I mispronounced that, but thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, this is much cleaner. Get the options, find the plugins, load the plugins. Doing okay, learning Python. Nice. Nice. Combine local plugin paths and parse plugin options. More of a MATLAB C++ guy. Interesting. I was a C++ guy in a former life. I haven't really written much of it since then. Greenborg says, I need a new TV. Spent most of the last hour going absolutely balls deep into reviews. Now I just think everything sucks and can't bring myself to buy anything at all. Yo, that's also why I don't have a TV right now. I did exactly the same thing. And I didn't really land anything. Oh, I probably should have run the docs build first. Well, I can run it now. You updated? Nope, still 2 hours ago. Why we will sit on the couch and play a game? Yeah. TVs are dumb, would not suggest. What is Flake8? Flake8 is a linting framework for Python. It checks for common mistakes and white space formatting stuff. Well, it technically doesn't. It combines a bunch of things that do those things. It's also a plugin substrate, which allows other people to write their own linters for Python code. Did I fucking call it? I called it. It's gonna be doc strings. It's gonna be doc strings. It's gonna be like, you forgot a fucking doc string. Let's do that. You have no TV, so are you always on computer or doing active stuff? Yeah, pretty much. I am usually either working out or on a computer. Fuck you, stupid piece of shit. 210. Doc strings suck. I hate doc strings. Make a blank plugin options mostly used for tests. The problem is this is actually a decent doc string, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be like, this is not a proper sentence or some shit, and then get real mad at me for it. Oh, I actually got past it. Surprise. Surprise. XDO Bled, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Or is it double D? Is it X double D? Hmm. Hey, this updated. Cool. So now we can now we can bump the version and release Lua to everyone. Version to do. That's never gonna get done. Update runner image. Update image version to this. Yeah, I don't care. Get him. Next Doughblade. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Says hi, bro. You're not my brother. What a cool keyboard. Well, if you want to learn more about it, there's a link for you and a video where I review it. Did I password manager? Okay. Print? Print. No. Oh, I usually use Firefox, and so it breaks my brain every time I try and make a private window. Can I link a meme generator? Yeah, you can do whatever you want. Links run. Fire away. Merge. Then we'll let that deploy to dev, and then we'll test it in dev, and then we'll send it to prod. Ross Syllabus, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I'm complaining that it's not done. It's only been 17 seconds. Come on, go faster. All right, what is your name? Yeah, true. It's true. It's very true. Although I feel like writing doc strings is also over here. Things I don't want to do. All right, now I'm confused. Why are you not done yet? Okay, I guess it is done. Deploy to dev. Okay, so that means we can try to run some stuff. Make sure things still work. Oh, the ReamD. Couldn't think of a neutral plus traumatized meme template. Yeah, no, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Proof. Okay, so this should eventually fail. It's going to take a little bit longer because it has to pull the image. Fine. Done yet? No. It's still running. I need to make this auto refresh at some point too. Not done that yet either. Pulling the image. Image is a little bit chunky, so well, this is longer than I expected to, though. It's been like a full minute. Although if it requeued, I would have errored here. Maybe I'm just impatient. Oh, it failed. Okay, good. It failed good, yeah. It took 50 seconds to pull the image. That's slower than usual. Maybe it failed and retried. But then it worked. It's all good. And then I can do deploy prod, please. And then it'll deploy to prod. Just like that. We merge this. And how are it? Where did the last 2 hours go? I feel like it was just being like, oh yeah, we're 50 minutes in the stream. We're 2 hours and 50 minutes in the stream. And I think I'm not going to be able to get this thing done today, which is fine. I'm going to rebase this branch, and then we will probably wrap up there. Because this is going to be a gnarly rebase conflict. Sick rebase, bruh. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Oops. To do, to done. Oh, this conflict is gonna suck. Maybe not. It was fine after all. This one, no, this one's gonna be fine. The last one is gonna be a pain in the ass. Loaded plugins. Alright, this is the one that's gonna suck. What? Local plugin pads, and then enable extensions, and then okay. I gotta do it again. Okay, that one wasn't too bad. What the fuck is going on? Arc like Slavic, thank you for the resub. At 9 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Good to see you again. Bang Dollar is the argument in the last command. Indeed, indeed, on Nightly. Indeed, indeed. Welcome back, Arc like Slavic. Good to see you. Label extensions equals none. And the required plugins equals none. And expected equals finder.plugin options. Oops. And then these tests got moved, so we need to fix these as well. Oh, you know what? I should just be testing... This is a much easier test. It makes it much more clear what's being tested as well. Ops.enable extensions. This one we will do the full test though. Yeah. Cool. Rabid Weenus says, so how do I become a master at switching words, lines, and do so many things using just the keyboard? Lots of practice. Yeah. I got nothing. Lots of practice is my recommendation, I guess. Oh boy, what are you? Oh, that's the new test that I added. Okay. These are the two tests that I moved. And that was an improvement. This is this. Damn. Oh shit. Well, clearly these need to be in another order, which is fine. Put them right. Oh. Nice. Nice. Okay. feel like something's gonna be mad here. Yeah, breakpoint. It's fine. Black reformatted stuff. Oh. What is MyPy mad about? A lot, apparently. Frigid says it doesn't take that long. I think I became native with Vim movements in 2 to 3 months. Nice. You heard that Babby was doing it? I mean, it's me, kind of. Can you open Babby to a specific line in a file? You can. Just like that. Same way as in Vim. And same way as in Nano. Although there's a actual Nano. There's an interesting bug in Vim, and if you do Vim plus 10 setup.cfg and then plus 15 some other file. I don't know, what else do we have here? Talks.ini. It should open this file to line 10 and this file to line 15. And so you can see this is actually line 15, so this is wrong. And then this is line 0. So Vim is buggy there. But Babby gets it right. Line 10 in setup.cfg and line 15 in talks.ini. So, sucks to be Vim, I guess. Yeah, the backslash bypasses the alias. Someone in chat actually showed me that. Where Babby isn't Vim, but for me it's Vim. Yeah, for sure. Riverbark says, I have to get pizza. Oh, pizza. Pizza sounds good. Pizza sounds real good. Pizza sounds real good. This, I guess, did not do all 3 of the things, so that would cause all those tests to break. Makes sense. Oh, many fewer are failing now. 6. $41. Really? Hitting my 1 test. Yeah, it's good. We didn't implement that yet. Okay, that's fine. First plugin options takes 2 positionals, but 3 were given. Nebulous, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh yeah, we didn't fix this one. Enable extensions, require plugins. Melksian, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This needs ops, of course. I should just have 1 failure, which is our new test. Oh, I still have 2 failures. Damn it. Okay, cool. What does MyPy have to say? Good. Get rebase, continue, and I will finish that up another day. Oh, that was a painful rebase. Holy shit. Alright, that's gonna wrap us up for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational videos to YouTube 3 times a week, and that is youtube.com/anthonywritescode. If you want to check out just one video, I think this one was really good, so go watch that one. I also upload my stream VODs to my second channel. If you missed any part of the stream and want to catch it there, you can check it out on that second channel. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon, but as you can see from today, some days I stream haphazardly on other days, and I announce those in 2 places. One of those is Twitter, twitter.com/codewithanthony, and the other is the Discord, which you can all join and stop by and have a good time. Let me put those links into chat for you. And Pliz Dolan, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.